I made a new intro, and I hope you'll like it. Welcome back to Astronomical Adventure. Look around you. Everything you see from the screen in front of you to the stars billions of light years away has height, width, and depth. We live in a three-dimensional universe. But have you ever stopped to ask, why? Some scientists argue that the universe might try to exist in many different ways. There could have been an infinite number of Big Bangs in the past, or perhaps happening right now in a multiverse, where the rules of physics are completely different. But here's the catch. We seem to exist in a Goldilocks zone of dimensions. Not too flat, not too complex. But why is 3D the magic number for life? Let's start by looking down. What if the universe created only two-dimensional waves? A universe that is rolled up in small? Well, simply put, you couldn't be here to ask questions about it. Complexity is a nightmare in 2D. Imagine a digestive tract in a two-dimensional creature. It would literally split the body in two separate pieces. Neil deGrasse Tyson once described how a 2D creature isn't even aware of a third dimension. But if they suddenly accessed it, their organs might just float out of their bodies. So 2D is too simple. It doesn't allow for the complex biology required for organisms like us to exist. So we definitely need at least 3. So if 3 is good, wouldn't 4 be better? Why don't 4-dimensional creatures look down and pity us for our limitations? Well, adding a 4th spatial dimension actually creates a massive problem. Dilution. Think about it. When you add a dimension, you are radically increasing the volume of space. You are adding a whole new degree of freedom where things can hang out. In a 4D universe, things would drift away from each other too, easily. The cross-section for interaction, basically the chance of two particles bumping into each other to form a bond, goes way down. It becomes incredibly hard to have organized systems. Gravity gets weaker, much faster over distance. Planets might not stay in stable orbits. Atoms might never find each other to make molecules. If you think about the volume of the universe going up that drastically, you are diluting everything. Matter becomes so spread out that complex structures like stars, planets, and you could likely never form. It turns out that 3 dimensions might just be the optimal setup for matter to get together. In 3D, particles can find each other to make molecules, and molecules can stack to make macroscopic objects. So why is the universe 3-dimensional? Perhaps because this is the only configuration where stable matter survives the Big Bang long enough to ask the question. In 2D, we are too simple. In 4D, we are too lonely. 3 dimensions seem to be the perfect stage for the cosmic play of life. What do you think? Is there a 4D civilization out there, managing to hold it all together? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Astronomical Adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys through the cosmos. Stay curious.